Hi there, my name's Andrew. I'm here reviewing this overhead light. It was super easy to install and is going to offer some really nice light into what is going to be my office. Let me show you how I installed it and walk through the features. The light comes well packaged with the main light housing as well as the mounting bracket and the remote and hardware that you'll need, and really thorough instructions on how you can plan to install it. The first thing you'll notice is when you take it out of the case is you'll have to unscrew the 4 screws around the outside. That's how the light attaches to the main bracket piece. After you unscrew those, this metal piece is going to be what you're going to install into a ceiling mount with the electrical, and you can start to go through the steps from there. You can start by feeding the wires through the main center and lining up the holes on the ceiling mount with the holes that you think will line up and allow you to orient the light correctly into the room. Once you orient, you can start to install the 2 threaded screws that come with it into the holes in the ceiling mount. This comes with Phillips head, so if you have a screwdriver or a drill, this will make this go a lot faster once you line up these 2 holes. Next, you can start to work on the wiring by twisting the ground to the ground piece that comes from the ceiling, and then you can line up the wires that match. The black will go with the black and the white will go with the white, and you can join the end pieces and twist them on with a pair of pliers and then use the screw nut to join them completely and protect the wires from touching each other. Having a second person to hold the light makes this go a lot easier, and then you can focus on getting the electrical set up correctly. After you have the 2 sets of wires joined together and the bracket securely mounted, you can start to line up the holes on the light fixture to the holes on the mounting bracket, and those 4 screws that you took off in the beginning can be put into place. Now you can use the remote to control the light switch. There's a couple different sets of buttons you can use, in particular the on-off. The arrows will switch between light modes as well as the brightness, and a couple buttons that will jump between the different color settings, so you have full flexibility in changing the temperature and brightness controls of the light. You also can use the app and set it up so that you have a room configured where you can adjust the color using the wheel or switch between the same 3 temperature settings. What's nice about this is you can also use it to set a timer. This light is going to add a lot of brightness to my office. The ring light design is going to really offer a wide range of light across the whole room. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching.